Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth in this committee hearing?
Bakla po kami, oo, pero hindi kami mga abuser. Bakla kami, oo, pero hindi kami gumagawa ng masama sa kapwa. Wala po kami masamang ginawa sa anak
At
mo.
yung lawyer mo sinabi, they invoke the right to self-incrimination.
Yes,
Yan naman
kasi
laging, yan ang gasgas na linya pag nabubuking.
Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth in this committee hearing?
yes, Your Honor.
The answer is in the affirmative, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Senator, nakapag-administer na po sila po.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Okay. Ano trabaho niyo ngayon?
Ngayon po wala po dahil naka-preventive suspension po kami, Your Honor.
Okay, bukod sa GMA 7, meron pa ba kayong ibang pinagtatrabuhan?
Sa ngayon po wala.
Before? No, hindi pa kayo ni-issue ng preventive suspension.
GMA lang.
Nung-
GMA lang po.
Yep.
Okay. Sinasabi ng GMA, independent contractors kayo.
Pero,
Correct. Hindi kayo sinasweldoan ng monthly.
hindi po.
Ano?
Hanggang may kontrata, may sweldo.
Hanggat may kontrata, may sweldo. Ibig sabihin per project.
Yes.
So pag meron kayong isang teleserye na 6 na buwan tatagal, 6 na buwan lang sweldo niya. Am I correct?
Pag sa director po.
As a
Pag director, ganun.
director ka ba ano? Sino bang director?
Sa ngayon po nagdidirect po ako.
Ikaw.
Opo.
Ikaw,
Your Honor.
Richard.
Consultant, scriptwriter, creative consultant.
Scriptwriter ka.
Hmm.
Ikaw, Jojo, ang director.
Opo.
So ano yung mga dinidirect mo ng mga projects sa GMA?
Meron po akong bago po ang lahat nangyari to. Meron po ako bagong director lang po ako na pinag-direct ng network. Dati po consultant din po ako, drama consultant. Tapos nalipat po ako sa posisyon na director. So,
So-
nagdidirect po ako ng teleserye na panghapon.
Gaano na kayo katagal nagtatrabaho sa GMA?
Ako po, 24 years po.
Doon sa 24 years na yun, hindi kayo nagtrabaho sa halimbawa sa ABS-CBN, sa TV5.
Nag-ABS-CBN po ako from 1996 to 2000. Then 2000 to 2024 po sa GMA.
Nag-stick ka na sa GMA?
Yes po.
What about you, Direk?
Nakapag-work din po ako sa ABS mga early 2000s. Tapos
Hmm.
nag-ABC5 po ako, tapos TV5, tapos nakapag-MZ din po.
Okay, during the night of the alleged incident, ano ginagawa niyo sa event ng GMA?
Nag-attend po kami ng GMA gala, Your Honor.
That was GMA sponsored.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Kayo ba ay naimbitahan dito?
Yes po, Your Honor. Meron po kaming formal invitation.
Anong oras natapos yung event?
Around midnight po, Your Honor.
Ha?
Around or close to midnight po, Your Honor.
Close to midnight.
Opo.
Nung mga nakalipas na event ng GMA, kayo rin ba ay naimbitahan?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Nag-book din ba kayo ng hotel room?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Bakit?
Usually po pag GMA gala, Your Honor, fully booked po yung mga hotels doon sa area. Mahirap
Kaya
po
nung gabing yon, saan kayo saan ba ginawa yung gala?
sa
Ba't
Marriott
i-pronounce it?
Hotel
Gala o
po.
gala? Oh.
Sa Marriott Hotel po,
Marriott.
Your
Where
Honor.
were you billeted?
In Belmont Hotel po, Your Honor.
So,
magkalapit. lang
magkalapit.
po. Yes po,
Pwede
Your Honor.
kang lumakad.
Opo, Your Honor.
So, nag-book kayo ng hotel dun sa, ano yan?
Sa Belmont po,
Belmont.
Your Honor. Opo.
Saan yung event?
Sa Marriott po, Your
Marriott.
Honor.
Sino nagbayad dun sa Belmont?
Ako po.
Hindi sponsored ng GMA.
Hindi po.
Di ba lahat ng mga artista, lahat ng mga konektado sa GMA, di ba ni-sponsoran ng
Hindi
automatic
po,
na
hindi
yun na sagot ng GMA 7?
Opo.
So kayo,
Lahat po ng consultants, yung mga creative, nag-book kami sa Belmont.
okay, diretsuin ko na kayo ha. But before I ask you direct questions, Bakit hindi kayo sumipot last hearing?
Meron po kaming prepared statement. Pwede po ba namin basahin? Meron po kaming prepared na statement regarding that. Pwede po namin basahin, Your Honor.
Sige, sige. I forgot to give you a chance to give your
Thank you, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
po. Mm-mm.
To the Honorable Chairman of the Senate Committee on Public Information and Mass Media, Honorable Senator Robin Padilla, to all the senators present today, especially Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada, President pro tempore. To all the resource persons and friends from the press, magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Bago po ang lahat, ay nais po naming humingi ng paumanhin sa hindi namin pagdalo sa nakaraang pagdinig. Inaamin po namin na natakot po kami na masubject sa media circus at premature trial. Gayun din po, natakot din po kami na baka malabag po namin ang confidentiality ng investigasyon na isinasagawa ng NBI nang nagsimula na ang mga panahong yon at nagpapatuloy pa rin sa ngayon. Nasabihan po kasi kami na bawal po na ilabas ang lahat ng mga counter allegations at ebidensya namin sa publiko dahil ayon sa NBI kahit ang alegasyon ng di umano'y biktima ay hindi pa rin nila maaring ilabas dahil subject pa ito sa validation ng kanilang ahensya. Lahat pa raw po ng hawak ng NBI hindi pa ebidensya hanggat hindi pa naipapasa sa piskalya. Subalit matapos po naming mapanood ang nakaraang pagdinig ay nakita po namin na hindi mangyayari ang aming kinakatakutan dahil sinabi at siniguro naman po ng kagalang-galang nating Chairman Senator Robin Padilla na hindi magiging korte ang Senado. Kaya humihingi rin po kami ng patawad sa kagalang-galang natin na Senador Jinggoy Estrada kung naunahan po kami ng takot, kaba at pangamba.
Opo, kami po ang independent contractors ng GMA Network na tinutukoy sa mga online post na kumalat noong mga nakaraang araw. Subalit, hindi po kami gumawa ng kahit anong sexual harassment or abuse laban kay Sandro Mulak. Sa pagkakataong ito, sa harap ng iyong lahat, mariing tinatanggi po namin ang lahat ng mapanirang akusasyon na ito laban sa amin. Kami po ay hindi executives ng GMA Network tulad ng mga lumalabas. Daliwas sa sinasabi sa online, wala po kaming kapangyarihan or impluensya sa network, lalong-lalo na sa mga artista nito. Sinabi naman po ng GMA na hindi kami regular employee ng network. Alam po namin na konting pagkakamali lamang na nagawa namin sa production ay maaaring ma-terminate ang aming kontrata at mawalan kami ng trabaho. Subalit, tumagal kami sa telebisyon ng more or less 30 years. At bago ang pangyayaring ito, ay malawak ang naging kontribusyon namin sa industriya sa telebisyon sa pamamagitan na naiambag namin mga award-winning at top-rating television shows and teleseries. Okay.
Tapos na?
Hindi pa. Maganda po ang takbo ng aming karera.
Sir Richard, tubig po. May tubig po kayo sa tabi po, ha?
Opo.
Opo.
Mahaba ba yung ano? Ikaw ba
Extra lang
sulat?
po.
Scriptwriter ka? Baka mahaba yan.
Hindi po. Maganda po ang takbo ng aming karera. Maitatanong niyo po kami sa aming mga nakatrabaho at masasabi naman po namin na iginagalang kami at naging malinis po ang reputasyon namin sa aming mga naging employer at nakatrabaho sa loob ng 30 taon. Sa tinagal-dagal namin sa industriya, wala po kahit na isang reklamo, sexual man or anuman, ang nag-file sa amin. Kaya hindi po namin sisirain ang iniingatan naming pangalan at karera at reputasyon para makapag-abuso o harass ng isang tao.
Lalo na po na alam namin na anak ng sikat na artista at maimpluwensyang pamilya. Ano ba naman po ang laban naming mga ordinaryong manggagawa lamang laban sa kanila? Hindi naman po namin itinatangging bakla kami. Sa katunayan, ang pagiging bakla namin ang isa sa mga dahilan kaya kami naging creative, artistic at nagkaroon ng skills na kailangan sa industriya. Buong buhay namin, ginamit namin ang pagiging bakla namin sa maayos na paraan para maitaguyod ang aming mga pamilya. Kaya napakasakit sa amin at sa aming pamilya na mabasa ang aming mga pangalan online na may caption na bakla at kung ano-anong masasakit at mapanirang puri na bansag at descriptions. Bakla po kami, oo, pero hindi kami mga abuser. Bakla kami, oo, pero hindi kami gumagawa ng masama sa kapwa. Bakla kami, oo, at may takot po kami sa Diyos. Sa huli kami rin po ay humihiling ng hustisya, mabigyan sana ng hustisya ang malisyosong pagbibintang sa amin. Kaya po naming mapatunayan sa piskalya o korte na wala kaming kasalanan. Hintayin lang po sana natin ang proseso, ang due process. Habang hinihintay po yan, humihiling po kami sa sambayanan na wag niyo po muna kaming husgahan. Iba ko na parang mga convicted na criminals. Kay Sandro, wala kaming ginawang masama sa iyo at alam mo yan sa puso mo. Hindi pa huli ang lahat magsabi ng totoo sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa amin. Lalo na ang mga nakatrabaho namin sa industriya na dahil kilala kami ay hindi naniniwala na magagawa namin ito. At sa lahat ng mga netizens na nagsasabi na ikaso muna at huwag kami i-publicity trial, maraming salamat po. Napakalaking bagay sa amin sa panahong ito ang ganyang mga mensahe. Maraming salamat din po sa komite, sa inyo, Senators Padilla at Senators Estrada, sa pagbibigay sa amin ng pagkakataon na magsalita at maraming salamat po at magandang tanghali po sa inyo.
Thank you,
Maraming salamat po.
Direk Jojo. Okay, basta dito sa Senado, pantay-pantay lang ang tingin namin. Okay, gender sensitive here. Okay.
Thank you po, Your Honor.
Pag membro ng LGBT, okay lang yan. Choice yan. Basta kami pantay-pantay lang tingin namin sa inyo lahat. Alright?
Salamat po, Your Honor.
Okay, sa opening statements ninyo, you deny all allegations that has been brought against you.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Both of you. Would you know kung ba't nagkaroon ng ganitong kabigat na reklamo sa inyo? Bakit nagre-reklamo Sandro na yung tatay ni Sandro, bakit nagre-reklamo ng gano'n?
Hindi po talaga namin alam, Your Honor.
At kanina sabi ni Mr. Mulak na nag-meet kayo sa bahay ni Attorney Annette Gozon, ang Vice President ng GMA7, na nag-apologize kayo. What did you apologize for?
Your Honor, ang sabi po namin kay Nino, we're very, very sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niya.
You're very sorry for what? What did you apologize?
We did not apologize po. Ang context po is, sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
No, why? Kung wala kayong ginawa, sandali lang. Kung wala kayong ginawang masama, ba't ka magsasorry?
Ang context po kasi, yung parang, sorry, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
Hindi, medyo nagugulan ako, medyo may pagka-weirdo.
So, yun po yung buong sentence namin.
Sorry, Robin, ha? Ganito lang, sorry, Robin. Ba't ako magsasorry sa'yo? Anong ginawa ko, di ba?
Kasi buong sentence po siya, hindi lang po siya sorry. So, sorry po, pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak niyo.
Hindi nyo, pwede bang, kung meron kayo dadagdag doon sa sinabi, why did he apologize? For what?
No.
Senator Jinggoy, ito po sinasabi ko ay talagang umiiyak sila nung nag-sorry sila. They were crying, both of them. And they even offered to donate a certain amount to a charitable institution of my choice. Para lang masettle yung
Is it true?
Ang sagot ko po sa kanila, ako, tao lang ako. Diyos nga marunong magpatawad. Kaya ko kayong patawarin. Pero kailangan pagbayaran niyo yung ginawa niyo.
Is it true that you were offering something sa charitable institution? Is it true?
No po, Your Honor, kasi that would be very insulting po.
Huh?
No po, Your Honor.
Oh, they are denying it, Mr. Mulak.
Senator Jinggoy, Ms. Annette Gozon was present during the incident.
Okay. I had an investigation of my own. I will ask both of you. Okay. The gala was held at Marriott Hotel. Correct.
Yes, Your Honor.
Both of you, Jojo Nones and Richard Dode, hindi Dede, are billeted at Belmont, which is a walking distance from Marriott Hotel. Correct.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Jojo texted Sandro if he can come over to the room.
I did not text that po, Your Honor. In fact,
Did you have the copy of the text messages? Kasi dinilit mo lahat nasa may telepono ko. Dinilit mo lahat yung mga messages You have a copy of the text messages? You sure?
yes po,
Pag
Your Honor.
nirecover namin sa Globe yan o sa Smart yan, pakukulong kita rito. Now you better tell the truth.
Yeah, I'm telling the truth po, Your Honor.
You did not.
Hindi po sa akin nanggaling. Kay Sandro po mismo nanggaling.
Remember, you're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
Huh?
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron ba? If
I am under oath,
if
Your
you can
Honor.
show me proof that Direct Jojo texted Sandro. All right. And then,
Your Honor,
yes.
siya po yung mismo nagsabi na andyan pa ba kayo, sir?
Wait lang. Yeah. We'll go to that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Allegedly, you texted Sandro if you can come over to the room with you. Deny. Yeah, maganda yan
Yes,
kasi
Your
Atty.
Honor.
Kapunan. Magaling na abogada yan. Huh? Yeah, but apparently, Sandro asked if who was with you. Nag-text back si Sandro. At ang reply mo, just me. Okay? Sandro never replied. Okay? Wait lang. Sandro never replied, ha? Ako, base sa investigasyon ko lang to. Kaya syempre, natakot. Sinabi, just me. Di ba? After a while, you texted again and told Sandro, the context of your text was joke. At sinabi mo, you were in the company of some of the creatives. Yes or no?
Ang eksaktong
Yes or no?
ang eksaktong text ko po, Your Honor, I'm with Drama Peeps but we're wrapping up na.
Yes. But you texted him joke, correct?
Well, yes, Your Honor. Kasi nung una, nung just me po, kasi natutulog na po sa tabi ko si Dode. And then,
Then just me, Sandro did not reply. And then when
Yes
you
po.
replied joke, I was with some of the creatives. Mismo yung mga tao sa creatives.
yes po, but
creative
I
department.
also said po,
Correct?
yes po, Your Honor. But I also said po, Your Honor, we're wrapping up na. Kasi I didn't want him to think po that
Okay.
anything about
Okay.
the just me text.
After which, Sandro obliged to the invitation of Jojo. At doon nag-text si Sandro na pwede ba dumaan dyan? Sino-sino pa kayo nandyan? Yun yung lumalabas sa social media na hindi naman kinover kung ano yung prior conversation. Correct?
Your
Mm.
Your Honor, wala pong invitation, wala pong direct invitation from me, from myself. Siya po yung nagsabi na pwede pa ba akong dyan,
Kaya
sir?
nga. Kasi prior to that, inibitahan mo nga eh. Huwag ka na mag-deny, inimbitahan mo na nga to come over your room.
Hindi po, Your
Tapos
Honor.
tinanong nga ni Sandro, sino nandyan? At sinabi mo, me only, ako lang. Tapos biglang sinabi, hindi na nag-reply, sinabi mo, joke. I am with some creatives. Mm.
Your Honor, may we request for an executive session po so we can clarify things.
No, wala pa naman, there's nothing sensitive here. As we go along, siguro.
But these are
Hindi pa naman sensitive yung matter.
facts of the case po, Your
Huh?
Honor. These are already facts
So?
of the case po, Your Honor.
I'm just
Ito lang po
asking
yung-
you if it's true or false. Wala
Opo.
pa naman tayo sa
There was no
Hindi pa
direct
naman sensitive
invitation.
yung
There was no direct invitation from me, Your Honor.
Okay.
I was just being polite and kind because he is my friend.
Hmm.
But there was no direct invitation po. In fact po, bago po siya na sinabi na akit siya, I said we're wrapping up.
Totoo ba? Do you have a copy of the text messages of Mr. Nones?
We have po, Your Honor.
If I may answer,
Yes,
Your
yes.
Honor, Attorney Sharina Quintanilla Raz for Sandro. We do have proof of that, but we cannot show that at the moment because it is with the NBI. And as this explained earlier, the NBI is safeguarding the confidentiality of the pieces of evidence
Do
in
you
this
have any
case.
representative from the NBI here? Yes.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm Attorney Zuleika Marie Esconales, the investigator on case, Your Honor.
Do you have the copy of the text messages? The conversation?
The complainant already submitted pieces of evidence to support his complaint, Your
So-
Honor.
You cannot share it with the committee?
With all due respect, Your Honor, for purposes of confidentiality, because of pending investigation, we are
All right.
keeping the same,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Of course. I
Thank
will
you, Your
respect
Honor.
that. Okay, at that time, nung umakyat na si Sandro, kasi when you invited him, Sandro was in his room together with his girlfriend. And apparently, Sandro informed his girlfriend that he was going to the room of Jojo and company. Upon entering the room, Sandro was surprised since it was only Jojo and Richard who were there in the room. Correct? Correct.
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam kung na-surprise si Sandro din.
No,
Hindi po
umakyat si Sandro sa kwarto
We were-
ninyo. He was surprised upon seeing only both of you.
Well, he wasn't surprised po, Your Honor. Wala po kami
Kasi ang sinabi mo dun sa text messages, I am with people from the creatives group.
No po, sir. My exact message was just, we're wrapping up na. GMA Drama Peeps referring to me and Dode, but we're wrapping up na.
Okay,
So,
that's your word.
yes.
Malalaman naman natin sa investigation sa NBI yan.
Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Alright, make it brief, Mr. Mulak, because we still have a session.
I'm doing this just to kasi nainsulto talaga ako nung sinabi nilang sa media na si Sandro yung una nag-text eh. That's why I'm doing this for my son. And for all the others na dumaan sa ganitong sitwasyon na walang kakayahang lumaban. This was the first text. At 3:59 a.m. Hi Sandro, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na? That was from
That
Jojo.
is 3:59 a.m.?
Yes po.
What day?
And then sumagot si
Sa anong araw yun?
20 po yung
August? July.
20 po yung gala. So this is 21 ng
21 na.
madaling araw. Opo.
Okay.
Sir Jojo, sorry po. Di po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now dito sa Marriott, sir.
Sino nag-text yan?
Po?
Sino nag-text yan?
Di-
Jojo.
Hindi. Yung text si Jojo, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na ba? Okay, sumagot si Sandro. Sir Jojo, sorry po. Hindi po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now sa Marriott, sir. Yun yung sagot ni Sandro. Papa. Hope to see you soonest, Sir Jojo. See you soonest.
Sino nagsabi
Sir
nun?
Jojo.
Sino
Ha?
nagsabi nun?
Si Sandro.
Sandro. Okay, sabihin mo
Yes.
lang. Kung Sandro.
Is every
Para klaro sa tao.
event, lagi lagi magbabati si Jojo kay Sandro lang. Hi Sandro, happy birthday, Merry Christmas. So matagal na silang
Okay, sige.
magka-text ng gano'n.
Proceed.
And then, nag-text ulit si Jojo. Po?
What time?
Wala. Basta magkakasunod to na text.
Sige. Okay.
Enjoy. Still partying. Sino kasama mo?
Text si Jojo.
Text si Jojo. Kumakain lang po right now. Kasama ko po friends ko. Sila Miss Nate and Elijah Alejo.
Si Sandro yan.
Si Sandro yung nag-text. So sabi ni Jojo, be safe. Okay? Tapos sumagot ulit si Alonzo, si Sandro ng, thank you Sir Jojo. Hope to work with you. Hope to work with you again. See you soon po. Okay? Tapos, nag-text si Jojo, nabitin ako sa inom. Ha 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 ha. Sabi ni Jojo. Tapos sumagot si Sandro ng, ako nga din po eh. Tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo. Yes, soon, cast kita. Yung reply niya was dun sa text ni Sandro na, thank you Sir Jojo, hope to work with you. See you soon po. So, siguro, misa kasi may mga messages na papasok late na eh. So, ito yung sagot naman ni, nauna yung nabitin ako sa inom, kesa rin sa, yes, soon, ikakas kita, nagdidirect ako now. Sabi ni Jojo. Wow, sir, looking forward to that too. Oh, tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo. Gusto mo ba? We have some alcohol here in the room. We can order some more. Saan po kayo, sir? Sabi ni Sandro. Belmont Hotel. Katabi lang ng Marriott's. So sabi ni Sandro, sino-sino po kayo, sir? Ha, 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 ha. Just me. Sumagot si Jojo. Just me. And then, matagal na yun, hindi nag-reply si Sandro. Siyempre, yung bata, nakita niyang siya na mag-isa, hindi yung sumagot. Takot, di ba? Okay, so, after a while, siguro, nung na-realize na hindi na sumasagot si Sandro, at 4:37 a.m., ha ha ha, sumagot na si Jojo after a while, kasi hindi na nga nag-reply si Sandro. Ha ha ha, just kidding. Kasama ko the drama peeps. But we're wrapping up in a bit. Okay? Siyempre, kahit sinong artista na baguhan, given a chance na makasama mo yung drama peeps, you will take the chance. Dahil pagkakataon mo yun, i-market yung sarili mo eh. Makasama sila, makaparty mo. Di ba?
Siguro sabi ni Sandro, this is my opportunity.
Yes.
My cast.
That's why. Kaya nga,
I would also do the same.
naintindihan ko naman siya doon sa point na yun. Pero, sabi ko, mali pa rin yung oras. That was yung kumbaga, sermon ko bilang magulang. Mali yung oras. Pero syempre, Sandro is of age already. 22 years old na siya, ha?
That was what time? 4?
Or 37.
In the morning.
Yes po. And then, sir, andyan ba kayo, sir? Kasi nga, I'm with the drama peeps eh, di ba? So sabi ni Sandro, andyan ba kayo, sir? Baka po pwede dumaan saglit. Ha, 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 ha. Kabababa ko lang po. Hindi. Sumagot mo na siya ng sure. May kasama ka?
Your Honor, please, we would like to, because we also have a copy of the
Can you let Mr. Mulak finish first before you rebut or...
we submit to that, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Sure. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Kabababa ko lang po sa room ng friends ko. Ox. Sabi ni Jojo. And then, no po. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Ox, Belmont Hotel, 700B. Okay po, akit po ako. Just proves na sila yung una nag-text. Sila, di ba?
But they admitted na kayo una nag-text, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. There was no denial that it was my client who first texted, Your Honor. There was no denial with respect to that, Your Honor. The only matter that my client was denying was, Your Honor, was with regard to the invitation. That is our allegation, Your Honor.
Eh, Bakit yung pinalabas sa media na si Sandro yung una nag-text?
Your Honor, we have no, wala po kami pinapalabas po sa media na si Sandro ang unang nag-text, Your Honor. There was no like that. We just mentioned that there was a message like that, Your Honor.
But you did not mention the prior conversation, the prior text before you
Yes.
you came out with that text.
Yes, Your Honor, because it
The
was an
media.
answer to a question by a media person.
Hindi, pinalalabas nyo kasi, base ron sa text na yun, na pinalalabas ninyo, na sige, pupunta muna ako dyan saglit.
Dumaan saglit. Okay.
Ayan, yan ang pinalalabas nyo sa media eh. So you were making it appear that it was Sandro who first texted Jojo.
It was not our intention, Your Honor. We just mentioned it
Ang hirap kasi,
as an existence. There's an existent text, Your Honor.
ang hirap kasi, you did not mention, paulit-ulit na lang ako kanina, you did not mention the previous text. That's why Sandro prompted to text you like that, to text him like that. Nadadaan ako dyan because Sandro, nung nag-text si Jojo na sinabi, I am with the drama peeps. So, komportable si Sandro na pumunta doon dahil may maraming tao. Oh. Kasi nung sinabi ni Jojo doon sa text na ako lang, hindi nag-reply si Sandro eh. It took a while for him to reply because Jojo texted again, no, joke lang. I am with the drama peeps. That's why he was convinced. And he went to the room of That's why he texted that text na sige, dadaan lang ako saglit. Ganun lang yun. But you still, your two clients still deny that there was no drugs involved.
Your Honor, as of the moment, they're invoking the right for self-incrimination, Your Honor, because, Your Honor, whatever question that may be asked to them, Your Honor, would be incriminating to them, Your Honor. So they're invoking the right
Because
of
according to
self-incrimination.
Mr. Mulak, during the meeting held in Attorney Annette's house, tinanong ni Mr. Mulak yung dalawa, was there any drugs involved? Hindi sumagot.
Your Honor, I think
Ano yan? Silence means yes?
Your Honor, during the executive session, which I don't want to divulge, Your Honor, since it's an executive session, it was already being answered by my client, Your Honor, that specific question. But since this is an
What was their
open,
answer?
during the executive session,
No.
they denied, Your Honor, during the executive session.
Yeah, of course. Oh.
But that is, Your Honor, I believe that during
So
the,
they still deny that. Now I'm asking you,
yes, Your Honor.
walang drugs involved or
Yes, Your Honor, they're denying that.
bakit ang tagal nila sumagot nung tinanong ni Mr. Mulak sa bahay ni Attorney Annette? 3 times daw.
As per my client, Your Honor, they're denying that matagal po silang sumagot. So at any rate, Your Honor, it's an allegation versus counter-allegation, Your Honor.
Okay, you let your client answer. You're only
Submit,
there
Your
to
Honor.
give legal advice.
Your Honor, nung tinanong niya po kami point blank, hindi po kami, wala po kaming hesitation. Sinabi lang po namin na no.
Ba't nagtagal ka
Wala
bago
po kaming
sumagot?
masamang ginawa sa anak
At
mo.
yung lawyer mo sinabi, they invoke the right to self-incrimination.
Yes,
Yan naman
kasi
laging, yan ang gasgas na linya pag nabubuking.
hindi po, Your Honor. Wala pong nabubuking, wala po kaming inaaming allegations. We're denying all allegations. We're just, Your Honor, respectfully, we have constitutional rights too, and we just want our rights to be protected in this forum. There's a process that's ongoing. There's a case filed against us, and we would like to answer that in the proper forum, Your Honor. That's why we're invoking that, but not because we're guilty. We maintain our innocence. We are not guilty. We have said this over and over. There was no hesitation when he asked us, and I said, no, wala kaming ginawa masama sa anak mo.
So, Jojo, Mr. Chairman, with your permission. So, Jojo, you're denying the sexual harassment allegation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung angle na yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Drugs.
Yes, Your Honor. No.
You still deny
Yes, Your Honor.
that there were drugs involved.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano yung diniktik mong powder substance?
Wala pong ganun, Your Honor.
Baka lumabas sa
So
investigation yan.
Jojo, ibig mo sabihin nagsisinungaling si Sandro?
Well, I cannot speak po for Sandro Mulak,
Kasi-
Your Honor.
I saw him personally after 2 days. Is that correct? The next day. The guy is really shaking. Masyadong apektado siya. No? Talagang na-trauma yung bata eh. So kung yung bata ganun ng reaksyon, me personally nakita ng dalawang mata ko, ikaw kilala din kita, kasama ka namin sa project, but ang sa akin lang, siyempre doon lang tayo maninindigan sa tama eh, no? Dahil so unfair. And si Nino pa. You know Nino. Diba? Alam mo, hindi na usapin dito yung issue about you, issue about the Mulak, so Sandro. Ang issue dito ngayon, yung pangkalahatan. We want to avoid this, yung ganito mangyari muli. Ang daming lumalabas na nagpuputukan sa iba't ibang istasyon, ito mga naaabuso, ganito, ganyan. Yun ang iniiwasan natin. Kaya Mr. Chairman, no, anyway, siyempre, ang lalabas dito ngayon, he said that, ganito. So, leave it to the committee kung ano man yung magiging decision nyo. But sa tandaan ninyo, hindi kami na may personal dito. Yung sa atin lang, in aid of legislation, para ma-avoid natin at maiwasan na maulit yung mga ganyang pangyayari. Pero sa totoo lang, me personally, nakita ko yung bata, nanginginig siya. Sa mata ko, totoo yung sinasabi niya. Yun lang, Mr. Chair.
Chika, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like, comment, and subscribe. Para sa iba pang mga celebrity news, i-click lamang ang mga videos na ito.